Hi everyone, Sri Vignesh here. So this is day 14 of me sharing my learnings and explaining things in English. So as I'm preparing for PL300 exam, the topic for today is manage workspace and data sets in Power BI. And we have completed the first model. The second model is manage semantic models in Power BI. So and the topic for today is manage and promote semantic models, troubleshoot service connectivity, boost performance with query caching. So manage and promote semantic models. Why we want to manage and promote the semantic models? So we should focus on managing and directing users to high quality, up-to-date semantic models. This helps us maintain consistency across all across the workspaces. So this is the primary reason. And by endorsing optimized models as our single source of truth, we enable accurate and standardized reporting throughout the organization. So basically, uh, to have a standardized and authorized semantic model will help the organization to in better reporting process and also a reliable semantic model to the users. And what is in need? To prevent confusion in shared Power BI workspace, we need to use the endorse features to guide users to the correct reports they need. So let's say if we are working for an organization and we are the developers, Power BI developers, and there is many team like HR team, sales team, and marketing team. And sales team is suddenly calling me and uh, telling me that, hey, I see the marketing and other data too. So I'm a bit confused and I don't know what data to see, like that they are saying. So in that case, we have to endorse the content which they want to see. So if you by doing like this, they can only see the relevant data they need. So this is the basic idea behind it. And let's see how to promote a semantic model. Let's go to Power BI service, and here is a semantic model we have, and right click it and go to the settings. And if you scroll a little bit down, you can see the endorsement and discovery. You can go to that and you can click the promote option and click apply. So it is applied to the workspace. And if you go to the workspace, so here in the endorsement, before you won't able to see anything because we haven't assigned any endorsement, and now we are endorsed this content. It is promoted and ready to use by the users. So in this case, if the sales team want to see only the sales data, we can endorse this content to better accuracy and without confusion they can see the data. So this is the basic idea, and let's move to the next topic, troubleshoot service connectivity. So if you're pulling data from your cloud source, most commonly this error will happen because if your credential are not up to date, this will happen. So let me show an image. So it will be like this in the Power BI service. Your data source can't be refreshed because the credential are invalid. So this is the usual error if the credentials are changed. So in this case, you have to click the edit credentials and have to update the recent credentials. So this is a simple and easy topic. And let's move to the next topic. Boost performance with query caching. So query caching is in Power BI leverages local caching on premium capacities to process queries result, ensuring consistent performance without overloading semantic models resources. In other words, query caching is a local caching feature in Power BI Premium and embedded that improves query speed and reduce the load time by storing results on a user and a report basis. So the basic explanation behind this is, so if you are using a semantic model for your report, and query caching is a feature that will not rely on the semantic model. Instead, it will use the resource from the cloud and make the report more faster and it will also make the query faster. So it will obviously make the reports and dashboard faster. So this is the basic explanation. and let's see its advantages. So improvement of the performance of report, dashboard, and dashboard types, as I said, and it respects bookmarks and default filters. It also respects bookmarks and recent filters. Cached query result are specific to the users, so it is very specific to the users, and all security labels are followed. Everything in the Power BI service is followed by the query caching, and it reduces the load on your dedicated capacity. So these are the advantages, and let's see how to set up query caching. So let's go to semantic model and click the settings, and we have to scroll a bit, and here after parameters we have query caching here. So you will see the three options. One is the default option will keep the query caching off, and you can manually off the query caching, and you can on the query caching. So while owning the query caching, it denotes that speed ups the report by using previous saved query results. So click apply, and now query caching is applied for your semantic models. After this, your query performance and your report loading time will be very fast. And if you're having many semantic models in your workspace, and keeping everything in query caching will slow down your process, and it is better to have very few semantic models on query caching on, so it will give better performance too. So that's all I had for this video. And yeah, if you are an expert watching my video and find any mistakes or miscommunication, please let me know in the comment section. I'm open to learn from everyone. Thank you.